Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to replace your Vauxhall Astra Mark 6 diesel fan belt. First step is to release the tension of the pulley using 15mm ratchet or wrench to remove the belt without force. This step should be done in clockwise direction. Please note that the current vehicle I'm working on has air conditioning system. If your vehicle doesn't have air condition, this video is not for you, but don't worry, the diagram looks something like this and the process is exactly the same. Now to install the new belt, you need to start from the biggest pulley, i.e. the crankshaft pulley, and then progress to smaller pulley, in this case the air condition compressor pulley, water pump pulley, and lastly the alternator pulley. This step simplifies the installation process, as tensioning the tensioner pulley and positioning the final belt would be hard. Now for the final step, tension the tensioner pulley with 15mm, clockwise direction, and insert the final part of the belt to the alternator pulley, and you have completed changing your fan belt. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.